I am Vivek Verma. I am ex-defense officer. I retired in 2019. And right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just staying at home.
I'm Pearl Verma and I'm a housewife. I'm staying at home, looking after my kids.
The simple reason was that I don't have to do too much of civil work to get it installed. That was the main reason why I got it installed, Nibav Lift, because it was easier for me to fix it without putting in too much effort of getting anything changed in the house to fix it. That was the only reason. That main reason is basically for my younger daughter who's a special child, because she wants to come on top. When she was small, we could carry her on top. Now as she is growing and she is yet to be independent, we found it difficult to carry her. That's why we installed the lift. That was the main reason for us. Safety feature in the sense that I feel when the light goes off, at least you are not stuck anywhere. And since it is a pneumatic lift, there's less chances of it posing any threat to your safety, because pneumatic lift is easily operable, and it becomes easier in case of emergency to be out of it safely. So there's no mechanical thing involved in that. So it's all on the air work set, so it's safer. I feel pneumatic lifts are safer than mechanical. It's nice when you stand inside it. You feel you don't feel claustrophobic because it's all transparent. So you don't feel claustrophobic inside.
Even our younger daughter likes it. She really loves the lift, the way it's fully transparent and round. She likes the look of it. People have been like, this looks like a spaceship going, it's like out of this world. Even people from out of India, they have come here from Singapore and all, and they have loved the lift. It's really nice.
Definitely, it was one of the major reasons. It's not something very bulky, it's not something heavy.
We didn't want a square one, just the square look one, We just wanted something out of like a capsule, something that way.
So it's light and nice looking.
And nice looking.
Our younger daughter is happy, we are happy.
Yeah.
Because she can come on top anytime. Only thing is she feels bad the day light is not there. She feels why she can't come now.
Why she can't come up.
Because light is not there, lift doesn't work. So that is the only time she feels bad. Otherwise, as long as lift is working, she is happy because she can go on top, she can come on top. So she likes coming on top, so it is very comfortable for us to bring her on top when she wants.
They all say it's very beautiful, 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 and they really like it. The convenience, the walking here on top. So they really like it.
I feel if it is not a question of doing civil work, then this is the best lift. If you want to do civil work and install a bigger lift, then it is a different issue. But within the house, without civil work, this is the best lift you can fit in a house.
Especially a house that is already built, and we have not made provision for an elevator, so this is a good option.